Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price. Features also include navigation system, trailer brake controller, USB adapter. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, HID headlights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.